Okay, welcome everybody. Assalamu alaikum. So today we are going to see problem LeetCode easy problem, which is remove element. So first, let me describe you the problem, then we will share you the solution. So here, you will be given uh, an array, and also a value here, and you will have to find out the occurrence of that value uh, for the respective array, and you will have to remove it. Also find out the new number of count of your new array. Like as you can see there, let me show you the example. So first, nums array was given and the value was corresponding to 3. So you will have to remove the occurrence of 3. The first occurrence is here and the second occurrence is here. So when you remove these two values, that the remaining values will be 2 and 2. It doesn't matter which order you are storing the uh, valid value or the remaining value. It doesn't matter. You will have to just store it and remove the rest one or the occurrence one, and the new size of the array will be only 2, and you will have to return the count for the new size, which will be 2. So return value will be 2, and the nums array uh, will be organization will be like this. Let's see another example. So as you can see, there is multiple values in nums array and the corresponding value is 2. So you will have to remove the occurrence of 2 here, and also here. So when you remove these three values, the left one will be placed to your array. It doesn't matter in which order you are going to store it, but you will have to count the remaining values, which will be 5 here, and you will have to return it. So let's see the solution. Firstly, you will have to calculate the size of your vector, and also here I am taking an iterator which will be using to iterate through the array and will remove the value. Like I'm using remove function, so what will it do? It will remove the value from the beginning to the end of my nums array, which will be equal to this value. So the occurrence value will be removed or will be placed to the end, and the remaining value will be rearranged like in the beginning. So for, like, if you take 3 3 2 2, so the after of removing, it will be like 3 3 if the value uh, is 2. So the organization will be like this, and after that I am counting the new size, where int is an iterator of last valid value which wasn't removed. So int will return me the iterator. uh, Here the int will point to 3 3. So the last valid value is here, right? So the int will basically uh, return me the iterator from this position. Okay, so the int will here return me if suppose we are taking the first index as 1, so the int will return here me 2. Okay, and nums dot begin will be here. So nums dot begin will be 0, right? The so the size will be 2. So this is the idea. So the n will be 2 here with the valid value after deleting the occurrence value. Okay. So after that, here also there is a problem. Basically, when you use vector, it actually doesn't remove, but it will basically storing the value here, but at the end position. Okay, so you will have to manually erase it using erase function. So when you call nums.erase, it will basically erase the value from end to the what was int. Int was an iterator which was pointing in this position, right? I can see my cursor. Okay, so int was position what was the position of int? Int was positioning here, right? So from here, the rest value uh, from the rest value will be erased till the end of my nums array. So these 2 and 2 will be erased here. So the new size, what will be the new size? So the new size will be only 2, right? And what will be the new array as well? So the new array will be this one, because I have removed these two occurrences. Remember, when you using vector, it doesn't actually remove, but it will rearrange here from the beginning to the end, and also uh, with the corresponding occurrences. So it will basically organize your values like this. The occurrence value will be in the last place. So you will have to remove the spaces. So when you remove, it will be like this. So the occurrence value, you will have to remove this to blank space as well, because when you used vector actually took this space as null. So you will have to remove that two space manually using this erase function. Okay. So what does remove do? Remove actually removes the occurrence value and rearrange with the remaining value as well, but the corresponded two spaces for this value 2 will be also remain also will be in the nums array, but you will have to manually remove the now those two places using this nums dot erase. Okay, so this was the solution. Let's see if it's accepted or not. But I didn't still submit it, but I have just checked the run button. I hope it will accept, but there is a problem. Expected variable name are this in lambda captures. Okay. Oh. I will have to remove these lines. Okay. Now let's see another times. Okay. You can see that it beats 100%. 100% beaten solution. We got. Okay. Thank you for watching and see you in the next time.